This video shows the daily setup of the Zeiss Tavado 700 microscope. Once pushing the microscope into place, plug it into a power source. Once plugged in, the power button will illuminate white. Press it to turn the device on. The power button will be illuminated green when the device is on. The device will take approximately 1 minute to load. During that time, you can take the dust cover bag off and store it appropriately. Take off the lens cover and store it on the side of the microscope. When the device loads, select the user. The focus light link warning will appear, and that can be dismissed. The Tavado has an intuitive user interface. By touching the image on the screen, a full screen image will appear. Touching the screen again will bring back the interactive buttons. At any point, the user can be changed with their personalized settings loaded. To save the xenon light, turn the light off when not in use. The microscope needs to be balanced when first turned on. To do this, release the brakes by pushing the bottom green button on the hand grip to move it away from the stand. Put the binoculars in the surgical position. On the home screen, under Balancing, push System. Ensure this is not being done over a patient. The system will automatically balance itself. This takes approximately 15 seconds. A balanced microscope is simple and easy to move, and can be moved easily with one hand while the other hand remains in the surgical field. On the hand grip, there are two buttons that release the brakes. Always use the bottom button to release all the brakes for easy movement. Laser cases require a working distance of 400 millimeters. To set it to 400 millimeters, push the focus button and activates the focus start value. Each surgeon has a personalized hand grip layout. Should they forget their layout, you can show them their layout by pushing the hand grip button. This Tavado has no internal storage for taking photos and recording videos. If the surgeon wants to do so, they will need to insert a USB-A or USB-C thumb drive or external hard drive. Once connected, new patients can be created by selecting the Patient Data menu. To add a new patient, push the figure with a positive sign and enter the relevant data like name, gender, and date of birth. At any time, you can switch patients and store data on their file. To go back to the home screen, press the home icon in the top left corner. To eject the storage device, click the USB at the top of the screen and then press eject. It is then safe to remove the storage device. When the case is finished, turn off the light and move the microscope into the park position. The park position is being shown here. This will make it easier for cleaning and transport. When cleaning the mechanical surfaces of the microscope, you can use a damp cloth or a cleaning cloth like a cell prevention. The touchscreen should only be cleaned as required with a soft, clean microfiber cloth or Zeiss lens wipes. The optical surfaces are delicate and have special coatings to ensure image quality. They should only be cleaned with Zeiss lens wipes to prevent damage. To turn off the microscope, push the power button and let the system go through its shutdown procedure. Take the lens cover and place it on the varioscope. The lens cover is embossed with Zeiss and should line up with the Zeiss logo on the microscope. The cover has magnets that only line up one way with the microscope. Cover the microscope head with the Zeiss dust cover bag. When the power button is turned white, the shutdown procedure is finished and the microscope can now be unplugged. When moving the microscope, use the handlebar to maneuver it around the OR. At no point should the microscope arm be moved, as this will cause damage to the brakes. If the microscope arm has to be readjusted, the microscope will need to be turned on first and then adjusted using the All Brakes button found on the hand grip. When moving the microscope from OR to OR, push the microscope from behind to see where you're going.